Something going with the video a while ago. I end the video. Alright. Yeah. Aki. Breadfruit. Go together good. Alright, let's start. Guys, it's a breadfruit tree. I take up the whole yard. It take up the whole yard. It take up the whole yard. Yeah. Breadfruit, the pan fire. See the Aki them. I pick Aki too. Ooh. I mean just a stay far because I'm afraid of lizard. So me just take my time and take on myself from under the tree. But yeah, my gardener do a good job in my roast up the breadfruit them and I pick some Aki. Yeah. I love when the breadfruit roast and fry after. That's how I love it. I mean I love the boiling one them. I love the roasting one. So yeah. Yeah. What I feel like I need for roast more. Sweet tree them. One breadfruit for buy, wanna link me up. Cause this a tree, it's a big ass tree and it bears. It bears. Let me tell you. Alright, so the Aki them they pick. Aki them I pick right now. I can't believe that some of them stay up on the tree and rotten. Eh? Cause you no pick them, you left them on the tree. Even if me dey at work, you can come and pick them. You can come and pick them all if me not there. Huh? Yeah, nice nature. Love when the breadfruit them I roast outside. So yeah, they have to go clean up again. The little rain. My God. Much every time when the rain fall, I saw my ear grow. Cause it did reach a ground already. It did that drop on the floor. Yeah. But guys, big up on yourself. I know now wait for your upload. And but girly busy, you know. I was super busy. Okay. So now me there. Just I come from country too. I'ma say, you know what? Let me vlog. Let me just vlog. All I want me at the right there. So roasting a breadfruit, the Aki picking and everything. But just want to big up everybody. Thanks to everybody who subscribed to my channel. And if you haven't subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Please go and subscribe to my channel, become a follower, become a family. Okay guys, back to the Aki picking. Yeah. I'm afraid there's so much up on the tree, man. So much up on the tree. This can't pass. Me need saltfish. Me not have no saltfish. Me not have to get saltfish. This can't pass. I can't saltfish and roast breadfruit. Yeah. Yeah, this I have to make them cool first, don't I know they not roast it. Hmm? But I make them burn up. Yeah, you know long me not eat piece of roast breadfruit and some ackee and saltfish. This can pass. See them there guys. Yeah, so who want some? Who want breadfruit to buy? See the tree there, wanna tell me make me climb it. Wanna tell me make me climb the tree. See the tree there. You make me know what you think. Wanna just make me know what you think, alright? Let me know what you think. You should have one bucket I drop them in. Me a vlog. Me a vlog. So much up on the tree. Where's the little rain will fall? You just open them. And enough rotten on the tree too. So the little tree and it bare. It bare. It bare. Yeah. People, I live here and my neighbor them don't know what me look like. Cause I think at one time the lady ever see me and she not see me back cause me always there work and me always I go in and out. So she not see me all long. I doubt if she remember if my black, blue or red. My under the tree. Panda look up. They call it pod aki. I not even know what it's called. Whatever it's called. But me don't know. Westy, come look here. Come now for lizard drop on me. Me I do vlog but me I take on myself. Look on the little bunch there. You see it? It no matter but not all of them spoil. All of them spoil? Shit. Me have to come look on the tree more often. This one next that spoiled. And see the little Julie tree, yeah? And ask if it no bear too. The tree, the mango tree, the East Indian tree is big. The Julie tree is small, the Ackee tree is small, but let me tell you something. It bear. It bear. Let's say I try to see if I can get more breadfruit. The tree big and tall, but some depend the low limb. Like I guess the money can boil, don't? So the Julie right there. So this look like it's too ripe. Yeah, it turned. But I'm not a mango lover. I'm not a mango lover. I'm showing you the East Indian. This is the East Indian now. There it is. Yeah. You know, say the woman a come back come aunt to feed breadfruit them.
Yeah.
You know the woman a come back come aunt for the breadfruit them. Nice catch. That's our boiling one. Boiling breadfruit or you can roast. Huh? in the area. She? She have to come pick it herself.